We're going to do a quick bike check. Starting from the back, we have kink back tire. I believe it is 20 by 23. It's the new Lyra. Then we got the fly rim. Where is it at? Right there, fly bikes. Laced to a G-Sport ratchet. Loving it. Pretty good. Right now it's on the left-hand drive. Got a KMC Walmart chain. It's KMC right here. And then Walmart right there. We got the G-Sport ratchet hub guard. We have a Cult back peg. It's alright, no problems. We have Animal Hamilton PCs. I hate them. Shadow Noctis. Cranks in white. Profile Imperial. Sprocket 23. Got a Scavenger 20 by 5, I think, frame. Animal seat post. And stock seat. Need to get a new one. Has a bit of a tear going on. We have the Odyssey Classic Race Forks. The Primo N4FL front hub with the hub guards, which I hate. I need to get a new hub. This one's already messed up. We got a Fly Bikes front rim. Animal GLH front tire, 20 by 2.1. It's pretty good. Like it. We have the Kink Wolf bars. 8.75 rise with 29 wide, I believe. Kink light front peg, the back one snapped. That's why I had a Cult back there. We have the Odyssey headset and the premium sub 10 stem top load. It's pretty good. Then the only grips I will ever ride, the Cult Vans. Pretty amazing. And the Shadow Conveyance or something, BB, and bottom bracket. I think that is it. Subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think. Alright.